Hello everybody, I'm Sharpened Blade, and today I'm finally taking the time to take this knife apart, the Arion from Artisan Cutlery, the White Mountain Knives exclusive. I can hear a little something in here, so I think there might be a little bit of grit in the bearings, and it's also very, very off-center. So I'm going to see if I can't fix that too. But yeah, so we're going to some schmutz out of there. We are going to take this apart and see what can happen. So might as well open it up. I hope it's not a free spinning pivot, but we will see what we will see. T7, T8. I'm guessing it's it's T6 there. That one might not be. Is that Loctited in place? There we go. Okay, so let's try this again. There we go. Must have been a little bit of Loctite on it. There we go. Pivots out. Is there Loctite on there? Doesn't look like it. Might have just been really tight in there. If they didn't strip the other side. No, looks good. Alright. And then T6. I'm guessing on the rest. Oh, there was a little bit of Loctite in there. So yeah. There's nothing on here. Nope. Oh, they don't really seem to be coming out though. Hey, this one came out. Alright. That there. So I might have to loosen this one. I don't know. Sometimes these give me a little bit of. There we go. Yeah, that's got it. Don't know what that did, but sure. As long as it works. Okay, so put that there. Try to get this off here without doing anything to myself. Wiggly wiggle. There we are. And there, take the blade off. Let's get this out of here so I do not scratch it. And that come off. There we go. That one there. Where did my tweezers go? Oh. All right. So let's get this cleaned up a bit. Already got some alcohol on here. Yeah, there's some gunk in there. I'm glad I took it apart to clean it. There was a little bit of gunk in there. And the hair in there. Oh. At least it's not a free spinning pivot. It's got a D shape on there, so that's good. Clean that up. Clean that up. Okay. Now grab these little cleaners. Yeah, there's a fair amount of gunk in there. Oh. That's right, I gotta do this off camera so I can actually see what I'm doing. I'll get a new piece of paper towel. At some point I have to upgrade my kit and get better cloths for cleaning this stuff, because paper towel leaves lint behind and it's not great. Alright. Okay, so let's clean out this pivot here. To Loctite out of there. Okay, so I'm using this. Whoa! I'm using this Super Syrup Lubricant Black Gold from Journey Tool Company. It smells like maple syrup, so I'm excited to see how it works. I mostly just use KPL, but I got some of this. He threw some in for free, plus I got a maintenance kit that came with the Turas. I still don't know how to pronounce it. Came with that. So yeah, I'm eager to try it out and see what it's like. Last second cleaning here. Alright, so put some of this on here. I can smell it from here. Maple syrup. I'm not a huge fan of maple syrup, but it's kind of cool that, I don't think that makes any difference, no. Kind of cool that my knife's going to smell like maple syrup. Some more Loctite on here. Right, I'll put some more lubricant on here. And I'll put just a smidge on there. Alright. Lots of lube. Lots of lube. Okay. And I'll put some on here. Put that in there. Spin it around. A little bit on there, just for good measure. And I put a little bit on here, just because I can. And any parts come out? No, I think everything's all in there good. That came apart very easily, and it, hopefully it'll go back together easily too. So let's see here. Put this pivot back in. Should have did this first. What is that? T8, T7. I keep grabbing the T7. Okay, so let that hold that in place. T6. Yep, T6. Come Get on there. Won't tighten it up just yet. Okay, but I'll tighten this side up because I did loosen it. So I'll tighten that side up. And then I'll tighten this up, I guess. Just because, again, I wonder if that's just going to be spinning now. Well, I do have two here. So let's put that into, if I can line it up. This is very awkward. There we go. And then, there we go. Yeah, it is free spinning. I can feel it moving around there. Alright, so let's get this back into position. What is that that's sticking out there for? Let's loosen this up. There. What is this knot? Oops. There we go. That should do it. No, that's not going to do it. Well, dang. What's going on here? What's going on here? Did that get twisted around a bit? Darn it. I gotta take it apart again. I'll just take this out with... I'm going to do this so I do not lose any of it. I'm going to do this. Now, what seems to be the problem here? What seems to be the problem? Why aren't you going in here? It's in there. Come on now. Get inside there. Okay. Oh, opie dopey. Opie dopey. What are you doing? What are you doing now? Get in here. What was that I said about it going back together easy? I think I was incorrect. Come on now. Let's get that. There we go. Is that in place there? Okay, I think if I put the pivot back in, just to hold it in place, don't crank it down. Tight. Okay, so let's do this little trick again. This time it should be good. Should be good, be. Get in there. There you go. Oh, turn it the right way. That'd be good. Woo! There you go, huh? All right, now. Okay, so let's get this, put the right one back on there again. Move this edge of the way. Alright. So let's tighten this back up all the way so I can see what's going on here. Okay, so the centering is off again, but it's tightened up to the, well, actually it works pretty good for being tightened down all the way. My gracious. Okay, so obviously there's no blade play or anything because that's tightened down all the way. Man, that action is surprisingly good for being for the pivot being tightened down. So let's loosen this up. So that's very loose. So you can see that the blade is now on this side. So let's tighten it up here. Nope. Maybe you can see that. So now it is centered. And the action is, get the fuzzies off here. The action is much, much better. Blade play? Oh yeah, blade play. So, it depends if you want, you know, starting to walk a little bit too. But I can tighten it just, no, I'd have to loosen it. So, let's see. A little bit of blade play. Just a smidgen of blade play. Yeah, it's off-centered. This thing is probably going to be one of those knives that need to be off-centered. Yeah, no blade play there. I'd rather have it off-centered than have it be, than to have blade play. 23 minutes, holy smokes. I'm going to have to cut this. I have to edit this down quite a bit. That's, yeah. But so no blade play either direction, but I didn't fix the centering any, so that sucks. But the action is smoother. There was a little bit of gunk in there, so I am glad I took it apart and cleaned it. But yeah, I didn't fix the centering, unfortunately. But that's all right. I'd rather have the knife off-centered than to have blade play. So yeah. Thanks so much for watching. Take care.